What if I told you that a single bowl of soup could do more for your body than a cabinet full of expensive supplements? Most people think that recovering from chronic pain or avoiding the operating table requires drastic measures or high-priced treatments. But the truth is, the most powerful tool you have to rebuild your health is sitting right in your kitchen. In this video, I am going to show you the exact vegetable soup recipe that saved me from surgery and changed my life. I now cook this every single day, and today, I'm sharing two versions of this life-changing meal with science-backed ingredients that fight inflammation, support your joints, and keep your gut flourishing. Before we dive into the cooking, let's talk about a key factor that impacts our overall longevity, something researchers call the chronic inflammation cycle. It is a silent process that breaks down our tissues after the age of 40, leading to joint stiffness and digestive issues. By 2024, clinical studies have shown that a diet rich in cruciferous vegetables and specific polyphenol can actually slow this process down. The good news is, this damage is not just preventable, it is reversible. Older adults have seen significant improvements in mobility and energy in as little as 3 weeks just by changing what they eat for lunch. Before we get started, drop your name and the city you are watching from in the comments. I love hearing from our global community. Now let's start with recipe 1, the Golden Anti-Inflammatory Soup. First, we start with 2 onions. Onions are rich in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps stabilize cells. Finely dice them and add them to a pot with a drizzle of high-quality olive oil. Fry these over medium heat until they are translucent. While those are softening, take 1 large carrot and slice it into rounds. Carrots provide beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A to support your immune system. Next, take 3 stalks of celery. Celery is often overlooked, but it is packed with minerals that help neutralize acidity in the body. Add the carrots and celery to the pot and stir well. Now, the secret weapon, 3 cloves of fresh garlic. Garlic contains allicin, which has been studied for its ability to lower blood pressure and fight infection. Sauté these vegetables together for about 5 to 7 minutes until the kitchen smells incredible. If you are enjoying this so far, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell. It helps me continue to share these healing recipes with you. Moving on, we add 2 medium potatoes, cubed. Potatoes provide the necessary complex carbohydrates to keep your energy steady. But here is the critical addition, half a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, the world's most famous natural anti-inflammatory. Fry the potatoes with the turmeric for about 2 minutes to allow the heat to activate the spices. Pour in enough filtered water to cover the vegetables and bring the mixture to a boil. While that simmers, we are going to prepare 2 eggs in a separate pot of water. Cook them until they are soft-boiled. Eggs provide the essential amino acids needed for tissue repair. Now, let's add the powerhouse greens, 200 grams of cauliflower and 150 grams of broccoli. These are cruciferous vegetables containing sulforaphane, a compound that protects your joints and may even prevent cartilage breakdown. Add them to the soup, cover the pot, and cook over medium heat. To finish recipe 1, we add 100 grams of freshly grated Parmesan cheese for healthy fats and a bit of saltiness. Let it cook for 5 more minutes. Season with salt, black pepper, and Italian herbs to your liking. Finally, garnish with fresh parsley. Chop your boiled eggs and place them on top. This soup isn't just a meal, it's a medicine cabinet in a bowl. Now, let's look at recipe 2, the Immune and Digestive Powerhouse. For this version, we begin with 1 onion and a leek. Leeks are incredible prebiotics, meaning they feed the good bacteria in your gut. Sauté them in olive oil over medium heat. Add 3 stalks of celery and 2 sliced carrots. As you stir, remember that the more colors you have in your pot, the wider the range of phytonutrients you are getting. Next, add 1 chopped red pepper. Red peppers have more vitamin C than oranges, which is vital for collagen production in your joints. Sauté for about 5 minutes before adding 3 more cloves of garlic and 4 cubed potatoes. Pour in your water and add a pinch of salt and black pepper. Cover this and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Once the potatoes are tender, add 1 head of chopped broccoli. At this stage, we also add 30 grams of vermicelli. This adds a wonderful texture and makes the soup incredibly satisfying. Cook until the noodles are soft. Finish with a generous handful of fresh parsley and dill. These herbs are more than just a garnish. They are packed with chlorophyll and vitamins that help detoxify the body. This second recipe is perfect for those days when you feel a bit run down or need a digestive reset. The beauty of these two recipes is that they work together like an internal repair crew. The turmeric and garlic reduce inflammation, while the cruciferous vegetables and leeks rebuild your gut lining and protect your cells. My challenge for you is this. Pick one of these recipes and eat it for lunch every day for the next 7 days. Notice how you feel. Is your morning stiffness fading? Is your digestion smoother? Are you standing a little taller? Those are your real wins. Consistency is the secret to rebuilding your health from the inside out. Every single spoonful is a gift to your future self. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments which recipe you are going to try first. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed nutrition routines. Watch this next video to see the top 5 foods that can reverse aging. See you in the next recipe.